My name is Stephen Little. I'm the Director of Business Development for BrokerCalls. We're an affiliate who buys and sells calls. I'd have to say the reporting aspect of Ringba. So you can cross-reference a lot of different data. You can find holes very quickly. Instead of going out and hiring people, it allows you to bring that stuff in-house. So things can be very, very efficient. You got to have that when you're in the call game. If you don't, you're left hung out to dry, you'll lose clients very quickly. So we're grateful for you guys, man. I don't mean to piggyback and use my first answer as my second, but it's true. So that reporting aspect is huge for us, right? A lot of the times, buyers have complaints. Sometimes they're true and sometimes they're not, right? The length of a call or the quality. Ringba cuts all that out. I can pull a report very quickly. I can send it over to the buyer and say, hey man, this is kind of what we see. Why don't you give us a disposition report and cross-reference it? So to answer your question directly, the reporting protects our reputation, ultimately. So, yeah. Honestly, I don't think I was expecting this many people to be here. So I was thrilled. Obviously with Corona going on, things slowed down the past couple of years. But there's a ton of stuff here. I think that's about it, yeah.